there's gonna be banana leaf under here because the banana leaf makes like a little bit aroma into your milk.
Yeah.
So, oh, it smells so good.
Okay, I know that, we're kind of wrapping up the demo here, but you all have the pleasure, the honor really, to go and see Chef Nana making it live at the cooking demo tents that are to my right, to your left if you're standing from over there. Please make sure to go check this out because you can see the whole entire process.
And this is how you can serve it with steamed vegetables and eat it with sticky rice.
Yes, sticky rice. And that's it. Can we do a taste test?
Yes, you can.
Well, I will wait to taste over there actually. But
you can taste the small.
Bite size.
Let's see.
เป็นตาหักเนาะ
Sab live. Ooh, pit num. This is so good, everyone.
Thank you.
Make sure to get your milk.
Yes.
Okay, for Sab. Thank you.
แม่แล้วแม่แล้วแม่แล้ว
Thank you, everyone. Please tune in. We have more cooking demos coming up. The next one is by Spicy Joy. We're gonna make some papaya.
Woo!
Thank you.
My favorite one is Mada.
มากินน้ำกัน
oil protein.
Alright y'all, we about to go see Spicy Joy. Okay, what's going? ไปเบิ่ง Spicy Joy ตาม
Just
ผม
went in there.
You're making still, right? You're pressing.
And if you guys like it or no, it's all an option now at this point because the papaya can go in at any time now. But people like to add accompanying flavors like long beans or your makua or AKA eggplants, green eggplants, okay, or Thai eggplants. Don't add the purple stuff.
Not the right kind, not the purple stuff.
And I didn't go perfectly on the steps about which went in first, but you're basically building a salad dressing. But it's pretty much ready to go once the tomato juice is, blended in with everything else. Now the papaya salad goes in.
And if friends are still waiting in line and don't have a chance to watch this demo now, Spicy Joy is thumbing all day. So you can go hang out with Spicy Joy at the cooking demo tent that's on the right side of the stage. Wow, look at that. Whoa.
เป็นบอสสีมันออกแบบแดงๆกับแหล่หน่อยนึงเนี่ยเขาเป็นคนไทยไต่ผู้บอin English you see the color it's almost like a burgundy reddish dark color, so that's what I like I said, it's very personalized. This is very traditional style, it's got makua, eggplants, all the ingredients necessary to make a traditional Lao papaya. Funky, delicious, very deep in flavor, and wife approved. So this is papaya salad, folks. I'll be doing more demos throughout the day. If you want to taste test, come by, eat it. I can't guarantee it's perfect for you, but like I said, if you want it spicy, hot, whatever, come to my restaurant. I'll make it exactly the way you want it. Concord, California, baby.
Let's give a round of applause for Spicy Joy. Take a look if you want.
Chef Saeng สบายดีมาเอาเลยมั้ย First time meet him today พ่อกับมือชีวิตมื้อนี้น่ะ He's a great cook, guys.
She's a fan.
No worries. Enjoy.
เฮ็ดอาหารเป็นมื้อนี้
The microphone, that's really loud. Okay, make some noise for giving this person the winner. Great. And how about over here? Wow. Okay, and then the last one. Yeah. Wow. Okay, let's. Okay, so contestants, please head to the sides, and then we're gonna start judging.
Oh. ตามมาห้อง
Judges, we're gonna start with James over here. There it is.
Actually, enter.
Okay. Oh, this is my
ไป
favorite
เจอเอ
song.
วาแซ่บป่ะ
All right, y'all. We're gonna head to the last one now. I know everyone's anxiously waiting to see which one is the best. All right, let's take a look. This one is the biggest Coke and sock, so maybe that's a strategy.
Wow, we have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Why did you guys come up with that decision?
Because it was a very difficult decision, and the judges were kind of we couldn't pick. And it shows you how great this Damakung really was. So we're hoping for the next level for this round.
All right, you heard them. You heard
They say it
them,
was a
right?
tie, very hard
So, Bobby,
decision.
what are your thoughts?
เขาเจ้ากันตัดสินใจยาก
Close call. So let's see.
What's your words of advice?
Trust your palate.
Trust your palate. Y'all heard that? 30 seconds on the clock. Make sure you trust your palate. Don't be intimidated and don't mistake the salt for the sugar.
โว้วอย่าเสปากอย่าเสปาก
Make sure you read the labels. Chef Sang.
เชฟแซงบางบนแซ่บป่ะ
Sab boss, Chef Sang. Okay, Sab.
แซ่บคือหน้าบูดแท้
Sab lie.
บางหน้าคือบ่แซ่บเลยแหละ
Sab. All right, judges, I'm gonna need you all to pick up the pace on the eating. we got a full schedule. We got a full schedule here.
we get all day มีบนมืออยู่
Oh, we got someone wiping their eyes. That must be very spicy.
Are those tears of joy?
Oh, so you made him cry.
แซ่บอะไรวะ
It must be that good.
แซ่บอะไรพ่นน้ำลายให้
Sab lie, what?
แซ่บหลานน้ำ
Sab ball, pet ball.
น้ำตาออก
Chef Nana said pet. All right. Okay, you have the decision? All right. Okay, everyone. This is it. Drum roll! No, thumb roll! The winner of the Battle of Kokensak is Isaac from Fresno! All right, I'm going to call up Ipita to help with presenting the next award.
All right. Brother Suck from Fresno, what a tough and challenging battle. That was a battle of the champions. So congratulations, I Suck. And with this award, we want to go ahead and just thank our community sponsor and the award sponsor for the Papaya Thumb Off La Maestra Clinic. We want to say thank you. We have Miss Ixia Ramirez here. You guys go show her some love at the mobile clinic. And with that, let's give another round of applause for the champ. Whoa! You want to say something? I know you're repping Fresno. You want to say something?
The 5
I don't know. Just here to have fun. Oh, by the way, I'm going to have a new restaurant called Not Tall. And I'm going to have the Lao burger. That, you know?
มีเบอร์เกอร์รสชาติเป็นไง
New burger. It's called Luang Prabang
อ๋อ
burger.
ทั้งเนื้อ
Yeah, it's same ingredient as Lao Luang Prabang sauce.
เป็นบ่
Put in the hamburger.
อ๋อ
You go home and try it.
โอเค
You go home and try it. How you like it?
สีขาวไล่บ่
Yeah, let's make Lao food, the greatest, okay?
yeah
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. One more time for the the first Lao Food
He's
Festival
gonna make a Lao burger.
2023.
Luang Prabang,
Papaya salad cooking
Go to
champion.
Lao.
I Suck from Fresno, everybody. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, La Maestra, for sponsoring the contest. And now we'll hand this back to Miss Alina.
Thank you all so much.